here go Peppy. Say hey, Peppy. Yeah, hey, little chicken. Yeah, what's poppin', girlfriend? I always wanted me a pair of these because they look so nice. Oh my God, he shot me twice.
Baby, you should get to know me. Tapping into that good energy.
Okay, my loves, we hopping right up into this video. Hope you guys can really understand me because I'm laying down as I'm doing this voice over. Okay, so it was my sister's birthday and we just went out to pappadeaux. You know, it was okay. I feel like it's overly hyped, but you know, it was pretty good, you know. Yeah, her food was so good. I had got the etouffee. It's overrated, but you know, it was good. Hey y'all, we vlogging. What's poppin'? What's poppin'? What's poppin'? What's up? Okay, just got Peppy. Say hey, Peppy. Yeah, hey, little chicken. Yeah, what's poppin', girlfriend? Hey. Okay, get off me. Come on, get down. You don't know why. What I had got from the store, let me just show you real quick. Okay, I love the Fruity Pebbles. Okay, I love that. What? Why is Siri? Well, Siri, whoever it is, Alexa, somebody's speaking right now. Okay, so we got peaches and cream, ice cream. Okay, what else we got? What else we got? I love these. Always did. Just eating them plain regular, they be popping. Now, cream puffs. If you haven't had the cream puffs, what are you doing with yourself, huh? What are you doing? Cream puffs are the shit. Okay, another bag. Okay. I got the broccoli because yes, I'm cooking some food tonight. Okay, love the broccoli. Hey girl, you so fat nosy. Okay, get off the counter. Get off. Okay, so this is my little candy bag. I don't even need this. I really don't. Okay, so what we got? We got some spinach cheese ravioli, a blend of spinach, ricotta, mozzarella, and Romano cheese. I'm making this tonight, y'all. So I got this. I actually got two of these because y'all, I love pasta. Like growing up, always loved pasta. What else I got? I got me some creamy Alfredo because this won't go with that with the broccoli. Tonight we're gonna have this for dessert. Okay. Now I had got me some Parmesan cheese. Yes, it's the Publix brand. 3 cheese, granted. Get into it. The fuck, it's no cheese, don't matter. So, I also got is, now listen, if y'all are still drinking regular milk in 2022, what are you doing with yourself? You know it's not good for you, so what are you doing? Stop. But, almond breeze, vanilla is the ish. Check out the date, okay? Because nobody trying to get sick around here. So, I'm going to see y'all probably when I make my food, if I decide to vlog it. But I'm about to chill and get it popping on the stove. Say hi, Papa. You sound like me. Okay, y'all, so my boyfriend had got me these shoes that I've been wanting for a while for our anniversary, so I loved them. Ooh. I love these. I always wanted me a pair of these because they look so nice. A few days later or a few weeks later, I'm at work just working, okay? Y'all, my job chill as fuck. Did y'all know that they have like puppy peanut butter, like dog peanut butter? That was mad fun. Y'all, when I'm finna pick, that's my cart, those are my sheets, and that's my gun that I use.
Oh my gosh. Yo, she's insane. He better not trust that crazy girl, yo.
If I told you the truth. If I told the truth.
Oh, snap. Oh my god, he better not kill him. He not gonna kill him, y'all. Oh my god, he shot him twice. Oh my gosh. Why would he believe that crazy bitch? Like, yo, I'm sorry. Yo. He really killed that white, yo. Oh, he ain't do it. He ain't do it. He made it seem like he killed him, but he didn't do it. Because a part of him believed that, oh, wow, he really didn't do that to him. I would not believe nothing she say. She is definitely on some next level type stuff. Y'all, I'm watching The Longest Night. If y'all haven't watched this, you gotta watch it. It's on Netflix. It's actually really, really good. And it's so crazy because I really want to start to do like reaction videos and stuff because I've been told that my reactions are hilarious. And I be watching stuff because I really be like into it. Oh, it's an AirPod. I really be like into it and stuff, so. She's dumb. He gonna push her off. I wouldn't even get that. Why would you even get that close to the edge?
I don't know.
And you're about to give him up. Oh my gosh, she is not the smartest. Like, I knew he was gonna push her off the thing. Oh my gosh. Why would he push her, yo? I knew he was gonna push her off. What did I say? I literally said, yo, I feel like he was going to push her. Why would you just be yelling and you see your daughter is right? Yo, this show is pissing me off, y'all. Cause it's a show and it's a script and everybody acting and stuff, but they just stupid. They just dumb. Say hi, everybody. Say hi, Pippi. Me, my little Pippi girl. Me and my little pepper bug. Hey, Peppi. Hi. You okay? I'm tired. I feel you. I'm sleeping with you. Y'all, but she's such a baby. Literally, she's like a baby. Hi, Peppi. I don't have no food over here, baby. You only over here for what? For some food? To their crib. Oh my god! Oh! Oh shit! Oh my god! Yo, he just stabbed this girl to death, yo. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! How did you kill that lady like that? How do you kill someone? How do you brutally stab somebody and then the next morning you eating a full breakfast? I'm talking about cheese, eggs, crispy ass bacon, waffles, pancakes, the orange juice, the fruit. Like, yo, this motherfucker is crazy as hell, yo. And it's crazy because so many people out here are crazy like this. That's crazy. Hi, girlfriend. Hey, best friend. I wish y'all could see her. She's so so big. She's only 1. She's not even 2. She's this big. The fuck? It's a fucking little baby horse. I see this. This is the stupid type shit I'm talking about. The fucking wheel was on the hill, blocking everybody in their fucking mama too. Yeah, y'all. We ending this vlog. Cool, guys. I think it's like the 26th or something. It might be the 28th of today. I'm on my lunch, eating Tempe's caramel frappe. What's poppin'? Caramel frappe from Mickey D's. Shit good as hell. Oh, what's poppin'? What's poppin'? What's up? That's it for this video. I just wanted to close it out because I'm trying to post it tomorrow. But yeah, just remember that you the shit with a bag of chips and whatever else you want to put on the side, not whatever else anybody else want to put on the side. What you want to put on the fucking side, not But yeah, I'm about to fuck this food up because I'm trying to go on this food right now, and I don't want to be talking and stuff. But that's it for this video. Definitely finna have a lot of more videos coming to you guys because something drastic has changed in my life, and I definitely want to tell you all about it. I just don't know when and how I'm gonna do it. But yeah, y'all, stay blessed and all that. Hey, Queen. McDonald's is not good for you. Do not eat it. And I'm over here eating it. I'm just on my break. And I wanted something, so this was the closest thing that was to me. And I got me a large frappe. Caramel, of course. McDonald's used to have a chocolate chip frappe. I don't know what they did with it, but the shit was buzzing. It was fire. But this one is good as well. I like McDonald's frappes more than I like, what's that place called? Starbucks. Starbucks is overrated. Like, I tried it and everything, but McDonald's ones be the shit. They be all that. But yeah, y'all, that's it for this vlog. I'm about to go. So, whoa. I should have this vlog up by tomorrow. Yeah. Bye. I need a thumbnail. Let's just do this. My sauce gonna fall. Let's do something this way.